Erica, I'll help you with the hot dog in just a minute, okay?
I just ate a really burnt piece.
Ben and Nova way out there. Oh, and what about Amethyst? Can we get Amethyst? Hi, Amethyst. How you doing, girlfriend? And there's you. I'm taking a video. Twirl for me, like a beautiful princess. Ah! And how old are you? And why are we here at the park?
Because it's
Elizabeth's birthday. There's Elizabeth and Nova and Isaac.
Bag of potatoes. All right, good night,
kicks.
Nova. Good night, Nova.